If you're concerned ICE is going to come and arrest you and you're going to sit in jail, if you have a loved one sitting in jail right now, listen up, because a federal judge has just blew up the Trump policy of keeping people in jail in immigration detention without bond, rotting in jail for months and months and months to force people to self-deport. And in a class action lawsuit back in December, a judge said no. But even after that ruling, immigration judges kept denying bond because the Department of Homeland Security leadership told judges to keep following a Board of Immigration Appeals case called Matter of Yajaro Hurtado, which basically said the same thing the court had already rejected, that nobody's entitled to bond. So now this federal judge has stepped in again, and this time the court has formally vacated Yajaro Hurtado itself. And it didn't even stop there. The federal judge ordered the Department of Homeland Security to post notice on the ICE detainee locator website, post notice on the Department of Homeland Security homepage, post notice on the EOIR case information site, post notices inside detention centers, give handwritten notices to detainees at an arrest, document service of that notice, provide access to a phone call to an attorney within 1 hour of being requested, and submit ongoing compliance reports all about you're entitled to a bond hearing. And here's the bigger point. The judge is citing Marbury versus Madison. It's the first Supreme Court decision ever in the entire United States of America. And that case set the precedent that the judiciary's role is to say what the law is. And that's called separation of powers. And that has stood for more than 200 years. Now the big question is, what is the Department of Homeland Security and the Trump administration going to do? They'll likely appeal. They may ask for a stay. And this doesn't mean everyone's going to be released. Judges could still deny bond. But they have to conduct real individualized hearings and apply the correct legal standards, not just rely on a blanket rule.